How to fix slow speed in Shopify. Well, there's a number of things we can do here. And the first one being, if you're using a website like GT Matrix to measure your site's performance and speed, you might want to switch to something else because from what I researched, it's not consistent, at least not day to day, and it doesn't give you a realistic speed measurement of how fast your site is. And an alternative method you could use is you can just go to your incognito mode or your private mode on your browser, whatever you're using and whatever is available, and that will give you a more realistic perception of how fast your site actually loads and how fast it is overall. Something else you can do is you can use less apps, and what I mean by that is if you go to your app and sales channel settings and you look at all your apps, make sure to delete all of those which you don't use anymore, and because they slow down your temp file, and it will make your experience a lot faster when you're opening your site. But the thing with the apps is when you delete them, they leave some residue code inside of your temp file. So what you can do is either save the current temp file before you install an app, and because then you can just go back to it when you decide to uninstall a certain app. Or something else you can do is you can go to this this app here, which is called Booster Page Speed Optimizer, which is free, and it will help you boost your site speed. And that's how you fix the slow speed in Shopify. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.